So friend, it is Blue Sky channel here, and the computer hardware series my continue here. So watch my previous video, very important for you because my all video part was here. Okay, basic computer parts, basic types of computers and input output devices here, and hardware parts here: CPU, motherboard, hard disk, RAM, cables, SMBs, monitor, keyboards, mouse, and different types extra. uh, Already created these videos. So mouse devices, I'm already last my previous video all talk about optical mouse, trackball type mouse, and touchpad type mouse, and sensor type mouse here. So I'm already last created video gaming type mouse and biometric fingerprint mouse. So these created I'm already last previous video. So now start new devices. Keyboard is input devices, and what is the keyboard devices technology, and first how get idea these keyboard systems. So let's start. So keyboard is one type of input devices because you type any letters, type any numbers, symbols. So this is only signal sending devices here. Okay. So I'm just talk about the keyboard. What is a keyboard? So and you are writing a letter or calculating numeric data. Your keyboard is a main way to enter information into your computer. So generally using your computer and using with your computer any information adding in with calculating and other main important creating programs anything. So that is the information that you are entered by keyboard. So keyboard is one type of input devices here, and without keyboard you cannot enter your letters, your numbers, calculating systems, and using here. So but it, you know you can also use keyboard, your keyboard to control your computer. So first you understand how these created this technology, and what's the first idea created by these systems here. So how this computer keyboard control and system working here. So first understand how systems created these keyboard systems. So first I'm just showing learning just 5 simple keyboard commands instruction to your computer can help your work more efficiently. So simply in simple language I'm so telling you something very important for you. Your computer not directly take input data because this all of a keyboard um, system letters different type set on binary code. So computer using only binary language and binary code 0 1 form here bitwise here. So all of are created on data industrial standard organization systems here, and these one type of created other keyboard driver here systems. So you are adding anything your computer. So how this technology idea give first here. So this start by typewriter machines. Yes, typewriter machine. This is one type old generation type typing letter and typing different type messages and systems. So you can watch in your keyboard uh, a letter after S, D, F, G, not directly A, B, C, D. Okay, so how this directly this letter fix A, S, D, F. This same on letter system fix as one type same typewriter here. So this typewriter uh, keyboard one type of the same working here, but this is a mechanism technology. But computer keyboard is a digital and binary language system technologies. So how this system working in computer and working with this system working and other different type language systems here. So computer using binary language and keyboard using binary language code here. Okay. So this already mentioned it in computer driver and keyboard driver here. Okay. So this is a very important for your keyboard. Some people not understand because how these created keyboard design and how the first created design here. So you are enter article, you are enter of different type information by keyboard and systems here. So this is the first time created uh, enter numbers, symbols, letters in command systems here, those command systems here. So this article covers the basic of keyboard operation and get you started with keyboard command. So you are enter anything command, you are enter any information, so you are give a command by your keyboard and computer react and use perform your mouse as one type of keyboard. So first start first technology coming keyboard, and after uh, second technology mouse here. So this is a two input systems and convert these systems here. But in this different type of part wise created these systems here. You can see just now this time uh, different typewriter created here. But now this replace new technology and enter new digital systems here, digital technology by these electronic systems here. So how this electronic system in different type of letters and symbols and numbers and function different type. So some function already F1 to F9 and other systems, but some systems you can see just letter and number keyboard same to same typewriter working here. Okay, so this is a very important for your computer. Not some people not understand, a lot of people not understand how these uh, computer keyboard system technology working. What is the base of your computer main computer input system. So this is a typewriter machine by created these systems here. So this is a keyboard behind created this technology by these so this main idea created of main computer engineer on typewriter system, because typewriter system is same to letter and the same input systems here. But this is a typewriter system is technology mechanism systems here, and the keyboard system is one type of a digital system, but the digital not directly understand in your computer and system, because you created of this system and of this system first need command system. So how this you can add, how you can add your letters and symbols and numeric and calculating system. So uh, first need computer operating system, binary language system, binary code using systems, and second is the computer keyboard driver systems here, and the keyboard main board systems here. So you are enter A, you are enter S, you are enter D, F. You can see just here, not A, B, C, D here. A after not B key, not C key, not D key. A, S, D, F. This because this same this area in same area to typewriter systems, because sometimes a lot of people are using the past time 90 88 19 uh, to you using a very typewriter machine type here, because this is a typewriter machine lot of using a old generation type and now your lawyers and court systems. So this is a using their your applications, letters, some articles. So this is using for your computer and computer system with your enter same system. So this is a mechanism system, but this is a digital system. Digital system, how this working? So binary language code and binary uh, language keyboard systems here, and computer driver and keyboard driver. So this is a very important convert. So how no, how this possible? Because this is a mechanism, not system. This system is digital systems, and this system is technically mechanism systems here. So this is some key uh, these mapping key idea coming from these typewriter systems here, okay. And some adding additional function one by one need different type of facilities and features. So enter F1 to F9 functions and delete keys and some enter and facial. So old generation type keyboard, you can see just enter button, call, return button. Old generation type return button. So this is a very old generation type replace, and new generation automatically changing in new give name in enter button. So you can see just here, this is now starting keyboard systems, and your computer behavior, your computer information enter, and computer uh, you give command, and you can enter any information, you write any program by keyboard. So this is a technology starting by uh, uh, digital format in keyboard binary language code system. And this idea coming for these later systems and entering system and some systems here. So this is coming from a mechanism type water system, okay. So this is a very useful and coverful these systems here, okay. So this is a keyboard system is one type of input system, and using the mechanisms not system, only using digital system, okay. So this is very helpful for now this time uh, digital type keyboard available in touch screen, digital keyboard available with other additional buttons available, shift, caps lock, and num lock, and different type alt and other keyboard additional functions level these and numbers here and numbers wise, and enter new different type of technologies keyboard here, number keyboard number here, and keyboard new adding key here. So this is very useful now this time technologies and computer systems here, okay. So now thanks to watching my video, and I ask you one question here. Tell me now what using a computer input language. First option binary language, second language, and third is using a electronic language. So tell me in one day your answer. Write in comment section, and click on subscribe button, click on like button, and watch my video. In next time I'm showing you types of keyboard, how many type of keyboard, and why using this type keyboard I will discuss in next time. So thanks to watching my video. Have a nice day.